This is constructive forces in plain English. Constructive forces. A boundary, also called a force, is where two plates meet. There are three types of boundaries. A fracture within a plate is also called a fault. A hole within a plate is called a hot spot. These boundaries, faults, and hot spots are responsible for many of the processes that form Earth's crust. Transform boundary. This is when two plates are locked into each other and are trying to move past. When the plates move, they cause earthquakes and tsunamis. Divergent boundary is when two plates are moving away from each other. This is when the seafloor is separating from each other and magma comes up and cools to make underwater mountains. Convergent boundary. This is when two plates come together. During this process, it causes mountains. Convergent boundary. This is when the continental plate and the ocean plate come together to make volcanoes. Fault. This is when there is a crack in the plate. Hot spot. This is when there is a hole in the plate and magma comes up and cools to make hot springs. Questions. What happens when the oceans and the continents collide? It forms a convergent boundary. What happens when two plates lock together and move? It causes mountains. What happens when two plates collide?
Oh, you switched them up?
Causes mountains.